Hi, this is Glenda, and today I will be unboxing an order from Wholesale Supplies. So I want to show you what I got. Well, from the looks of it, something is wrong because I don't remember ordering lavender buds. So this is a cavity mold, rectangular shape that I will be using for a Starry Night soap. These are some containers for lotions. They're called Malibu containers. This, you may recognize, they're lavender buds. It's a big bag that I didn't order. So it's a 1 pound bag. What am I gonna do with this? I'm gonna contact them to see if I can return it because I didn't order it and it's not on my list either. Now this is a preservative, known as Germal Plus, that I use to make lotions and things like that, and a rose water hydrosol, which I will also be using in lotions or conditioners. It just smells so good, like a rose. Now this is the only fragrance I order. It is lavender fragrance oil 91. Now I bought it out of curiosity and also because I'm running low on my lavender fragrance oil. I've noticed that in the reviews a lot of people said that it didn't smell like lavender essential oil, and some other people said it smells exactly like lavender essential oil. And I can see how both of those people could be right, because there's a lot of types of lavenders essential oils out there. This is not an essential oil, this is a fragrance oil. However, that's what the reviews were comparing it to. And I have lavender 4042, which is a very popular lavender. It is the most uniform smelling and one of the lowest price ones. But I also have lavender Bulgaria and lavender population, and they smell very different to lavender 4042. So that's what I could see why people will think differently. This smells like neither of them. It smells different. There are floral notes to it, but this doesn't scream to me that it's lavender. In the distance, it smells more like a soft jasmine or some other kind of flower, but not lavender. I'm gonna have to test it in a soap and see. So that's it. A couple days later, they had a sale and I needed to order a few items. So this is the unboxing of those. The first thing was sodium carbonate, which is something that I use when I do laundry. And then 2 oils for soap making. One of them was castor oil, and then the other one was shea butter. Actually, it's a butter, not an oil, which I also use on my recipes, and I was running short. Last order is from Paper Mart. So these are some packing materials mainly. These ones are on sale. I usually don't buy brand, but they're on sale, and what's different is that they have a little bit of width at the bottom instead of being flat. And I'll use them for small soaps. Got some white ones since go with anything. This one's for Christmas. And this one's for any. This should be some boxes for soap. So this only accommodates the small soaps, but what I like about them is that they have a window. So if I have a design on the face of the soap, it can be easily seen. That's it.